عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه أن رجلا قال للنبي صلى الله عليه وسلم: أوصني. قال: لا تغضب. فردد مرارا: قال: لا تغضب. رواه البخاري.
On the authority of Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, a man said to the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, counsel me. So he, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, do not become angry. The man repeated his request for counsel several times, and each time he, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said, do not become angry. Al-Bukhari.
waxaa laga wariyey Abu Hurayrah eebbe ha ka raali noqdee inuu nin ku yidhi nebiga naxariis Allah korkiis ah ahaatee ila tali. wuxuu yidhi ha xanaaqin, wuuna ku celceliyey ha xanaaqin. waxaa wariyey Al-Bukhari.